Good day everyone! For today's video guys, we will unboxing our new radio walkie-talkie from online shop guys. Let's go guys, let's unbox it. Okay guys, our new two-way walkie-talkie radio. The extra microphone guys. The walkie-talkie guys. Okay guys, the manual. The walkie-talkie guys. The charger guys. Charger. Battery. The antenna guys. Okay guys, let's assemble our new two-way radio walkie-talkie. Battery guys. Antenna guys.
One, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you for watching my vlogging video. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you. God bless you all. Good day everyone.